this is Big Rob, and I'm back again, and I'm talking to you young electricians, you young apprentices, guys who want to come into the field. You old heads, get out the room. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking about these guys who want to be electricians, who are interested in being an electrician, but may not have the money or the resources to go back to school because they're working all the time and trying to pay bills. So what we try to do here at Electro Mastery, we try to educate you and give you some small little techniques that you can use. And one of the things as being an electrician is you gotta be able to get into your books and you gotta be able to read. Because one of the things about an electrician is that you gotta have a code book, the NEC code book. Now, listen, this right here as an electrician, look at it. This right here, education on the safety of your wiring procedures, of instructing you how to do things in the most safe and the most confident way. And the thing is that I love this here book. I love it. And one of the two codes that I'm into is 110.12 and 110.3. Let me tell you about those two codes. 110.12 says that everything we do has to be done in a professional-like manner. And 110.3 that says everything has instructions. So if everything has instructions and you have to do everything in a professional-like manner, then that means that anybody who's willing to read and follow their instructions and follow guidelines and learn various different techniques can be an electrician. You don't have to be the smartest guy in the room. You just got to be able to follow instructions and do it in a professional-like manner. 110.12, 110.3. Remember I said that. So if you want to be an electrician and you want to grow, hey, listen, subscribe to this channel and watch all the things that I will be delivering to you. As we have just started this channel, we are trying to educate the masses and educate individuals in those communities where the trades have been taken out, and we're going to develop you. This is my ministry, this is my movement. I am going to put trades in every inner city in America. So listen, if you supporting building our trades, listen, subscribe, reach out to me. My number is in the link. Support the trade programs. Let's push the trade programs into our inner cities, our inner city schools, because everybody is not a college student. I went to college. And I went there and I sat in them classes and I never understood where this was going to take me. And I talked to most of my friends, if they didn't go off to med school or they didn't go off to be dentists or nurses, a lot of them are struggling with a BS degree and a master's degree. Underpaid jobs, right? But in the trade, woo, everybody needs lights and everybody needs their electric on. And you can work on very different sides. And not only that, you have low voltage, high voltage. I mean, when you're an electrician, you get the opportunity to do from solar panels, and we'll be talking about that. How to wire a solar panel, how to do the calculation of how many panels you can put on the roof, how you put an inverter, and then have the charge controller into the panel, and you have a solar meter. All of these things that you're going to learn right here at Electro Mastery. So listen, tune on in. Come and learn something. But if you don't have the NEC book, if you tune in, I'm going to put a link, and then you can download the NEC book, and you can learn as we go. This is Big Rob, again, Electro Mastery. Let me electrify your life by teaching you a trade, the electrical trade. Let me take you to